Welcome to Monaco, the glamorous gem of the French Riviera. This tiny principality may be one of the smallest countries in the world, but it packs a big punch when it comes to luxury, beauty, and excitement. Nestled between the Mediterranean Sea and the cliffs of the Maritime Alps, Monaco is a dream destination for travelers seeking both opulence and adventure. From world-famous casinos to breathtaking coastal views, this playground for the rich and famous offers something for everyone. In this guide, we'll explore the best 8 things to do and places to visit in Monaco that will leave you wanting to book your trip immediately. 1. No trip to Monaco is complete without a visit to the iconic Monte Carlo Casino. Established in 1863, this world-renowned casino is a masterpiece of Belle Epoque architecture. The lavish interiors featuring marble columns, gold accents, and ornate frescoes transport you to a world of glamour and sophistication. Visitors can try their luck at various games from roulette to blackjack. Even if gambling isn't your thing, the casino is worth a visit for its historic significance and architectural beauty. Outside, the Place du Casino offers stunning views of luxury cars and the beautiful gardens. Dress to impress. The casino has a strict dress code, especially in the evenings. 2. Step into the royal world by visiting the Prince's Palace of Monaco. Located in the heart of Monaco Ville, this palace has been the official residence of the Grimaldi family since the 13th century. The daily changing of the guard ceremony is a must-see and gives visitors a glimpse of Monaco's rich royal traditions. Inside, you'll find beautifully preserved state apartments adorned with 18th century frescoes and antique furniture. The palace's courtyard offers sweeping views of Monaco's harbor and the Mediterranean Sea. Prince Rainier III and Grace Kelly's fairy tale wedding took place here in 1956. 3. Monaco is synonymous with the Grand Prix, one of the most prestigious events in the world of motorsports. If you're a racing enthusiast, walking or driving along the famous Monaco Grand Prix circuit is a bucket list experience. The circuit winds through the narrow streets of Monaco, passing landmarks like the Fairmont Hairpin and the Casino de Monte Carlo. For an immersive experience, visit the Monaco Top Cars collection to see vintage cars that have graced the track. If you're visiting during the Grand Prix in May, be prepared for an electric atmosphere and bustling streets. 4. Perched on a cliff overlooking the Mediterranean, the Oceanographic Museum of Monaco is a stunning blend of history, science, and marine exploration. Founded in 1910 by Prince Albert I, the museum showcases a vast collection of marine life, from exotic fish to majestic sea turtles. The aquarium inside the museum features over 6,000 species, housed in beautifully recreated marine environments. The museum's rooftop terrace offers panoramic views of the sea and Monaco's skyline, making it a perfect spot for photos. Did you know? Jacques-Yves Cousteau, the famous explorer, was once the museum's director. 5. Escape the hustle and bustle with a visit to the Jardin Exotique de Monaco, a stunning botanical garden perched on a cliffside. This garden is home to a diverse collection of exotic plants, including succulents and cacti from around the world. The garden's elevated location offers breathtaking views of Monaco and the Mediterranean Sea. Visitors can also explore the Observatory Cave, a natural grotto filled with impressive stalactites and stalagmites. Visit during sunset for the most magical lighting and stunning views. 6. Monaco might be known for its luxury and glitz, but it also offers a beautiful spot to relax by the sea. Larvado Beach, the Principality's main beach, is a mix of pebbles and sand and is perfect for sunbathing and swimming. Surrounded by high-end hotels and restaurants, the beach provides a chic yet laid-back atmosphere. Whether you want to soak up the sun or enjoy water sports, Larvado Beach is a must-visit. The beach is family-friendly, with a section designated for children. 7. Also known as the Cathedral of Our Lady Immaculate, Monaco Cathedral is a beautiful Roman Byzantine structure that holds significant historical and cultural importance. It's the final resting place of Prince Rainier III and Princess Grace. Inside, visitors can admire stunning mosaics, a grand altar, and a beautiful organ. The cathedral is a peaceful place to reflect and take in the rich history of Monaco's royal family. The cathedral hosts many concerts and organ recitals throughout the year. 8. Port Hercule is the bustling heart of Monaco's maritime life. The harbor is filled with luxurious yachts, and its surrounding area offers a vibrant mix of restaurants, bars, and shops. Stroll along the promenade to admire the yachts or enjoy a meal with a view at one of the waterfront eateries. During the Monaco Yacht Show, Port Hercule comes alive with the world's most extravagant vessels. For a unique experience, take a boat tour around the port to see Monaco's stunning coastline from the water. Monaco is a dazzling destination that effortlessly blends luxury, history, and natural beauty. From iconic landmarks like the Monte Carlo Casino and the Prince's Palace to serene spots like Jardin Exotique and Larvado Beach, there's no shortage of incredible places to explore. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a history buff, or someone in search of relaxation, Monaco has something to offer. Ready to experience the magic of Monaco? Book your flight, pack your bags, and prepare for an unforgettable adventure in one of Europe's most captivating travel destinations. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more travel tips, and don't forget to activate your notification bell to stay updated for our latest videos. Happy travels!